Daniel Moore, pilot jang ke helikopter ambulans ula ong badai U Blei ubalanya lang dia ke helikopter dan bat nila hiar hak mat phyllaw ke yin ju U Blei. Hakane ke helikopter ladang samut kibril kan putru ya iway ikundong badang arbnay. Bat kine baro kila light in hadin bakane ke helikopter kalahap no hakakatway tarik menta ubnay. Upilot jang kane ke helikopter wila bankiar na kiyin bril bat kumju ro na ki sinar power line. Kane ke helikopter kalahap hakmat kayin manay metalis. Kadba kidang tmo banakit ya ikundong sa hospital. Upilot jang kane ke helikopter lembat iway patday ki para pilot jang uki ang bakane kaday ka Kambah bat ka jingada jang play ya ka jiin jang hine ki samud na marbaro samud ki lalat na ka jingya. Hande tidak bersingap dalade ya ka ega ba upilot jang kane ka helikopter udang paniatru ya ki Kambah ki ba U Blei lale na kabanta jang u bat kumju ro na kabanta baro samud ki badan po kane ka helikopter.
Just feeling fortunate. I had God as my co-pilot that day, and we took care of the crew, and we landed in his front yard, so that was kind of nice. I know some of you probably watch the news more than I have. I haven't really watched the news, but I remember my flight medic Kevin Chafee taking a 2-month-old baby, handing it off to safety, and grabbing the fire extinguisher and putting the fire out, and then taking that baby on an ambulance to finish the mission and get him to the hospital, which I thought was completely amazing. And then, my flight nurse, Chris Lawson, I guess he dragged me out from underneath the helicopter and got me to safety. And I really don't remember much of anything, to be honest. I remember waking up and looking up and seeing a whole company of firefighters looking down at me. That's a real good feeling. I want to thank those firefighters, and I want to thank all the first responders that showed up that day, and the everyday heroes, the Uber driver, and all those folks who were running towards the burning helicopter rather than away from it. The staff here at Presby's been fantastic. They've taken really good care of me. My surgeon, Brian Smith, did an outstanding job. He went above and beyond, and for that I'm really grateful. All my staff, the nurses were great. One in particular, Garrett Phyllaw, was fantastic. And I really appreciate what he did for me, how he took care of me. I know it's a long list of folks. I have to say a special thank you to my fiance and my guardian angel, Gail. She's a cath lab nurse in Winchester, Virginia. But she's been absolutely fantastic in making sure that everything is straight and taken care of while I just kind of sit back and recoup. But for those that I haven't mentioned, thank you all. I really, really, truly appreciate it. I'm just glad to be here, and I'm glad that I got my crew back alive.
Dan, people from all over have called you a hero, and I wanted to shake your hand. Your reaction to that, and that's been overwhelming.
It's been very overwhelming. I always tell people I just drive the bus. The heroes are in the back working on the patient.
I think we'll get down.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Dan.
Take care, guys.